let's get you all the latest updates coming in on the BMC results. And while clearly the Mahayuti has emerged the winner in Maharashtra, here's the latest news break coming in. What's playing out in Mumbai? Just look at those numbers on your screens. BJP Plus in Mumbai is leading in 112 wards. As far as the Thackres are concerned, they're at 77. Now, here's what's interesting. The newsbreak on your screens highlights that counting has been done on 187 out of 227 wards in Mumbai. Reportedly, counting in 10 wards has been stuck due to display issues. In 30 wards overall, counting is still underway. What makes these interesting is the numbers that you see on the bottom of your screens. Those are the numbers from Mumbai. Now, with 30 wards, the counting still underway. Can things really flip around? You look at the Thackres number at 77, the Congress at 13. Those 30 wards could be crucial. But of course, it's a tall ask to expect the Thackres to be able to get all 30 right now. The numbers could still swing either way, but essentially the BJP has managed to cross the majority mark. The BJP does have a lead right now. The question is, will they build on that lead further, establish more than a win, a sweep, or will the Thackres catch up? Let me bring in our reporters on this broadcast. Ritwik Bhalekar is joining us live from the BJP office in Mumbai. We have Divyesh Singh live from Eknath Shinde's residence in Thane. Ritwik, I'm going to begin with you. Just moments ago, we had Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis, man of the moment, no doubt, celebrating the mandate that's come in from the people of Maharashtra, from the people of Mumbai. But it's not over yet.
Absolutely. Devendra Fadnavis had a grand welcome today evening at BJP headquarters in Mumbai. And also he was accompanied by Mumbai President and State BJP President, and also several ministers were present. We saw that BJP was celebrating, but at the same time, Devendra Fadnavis made it very clear that it's not just the people of Maharashtra, but also the Karyakartas of BJP who are responsible for this huge victory. And very categorically, Devendra Fadnavis also thanked Balasaheb Thackeray for his blessings, because without him, this victory would not have been possible, is what Devendra Fadnavis stated.
Highlight for us at this point of the 227 wards. Ritwik, just highlight for us the numbers right now that we're breaking down. We understand the counting isn't done yet, that there are about 10 wards where there's a counting issue because of a display issue essentially, and there are about 30 wards where we're still looking at the trends trickling in.
Yes, absolutely. The trend is clearly showing that BJP is having a clear mandate, which is crossing the magical figure of 114. But at the same time, the BMC official numbers are showing that BJP has managed to win in the areas like western suburbs, like some of the areas in the northern side of the eastern suburb, and a major chunk of South Bombay, where Hindu votes have been consolidated in huge numbers. Also, North Indians, South Indians votes have been consolidated, and huge support BJP has secured in those seats. But at the same time, the Marathi-dominated seats like Lalbagh, Pared, Shudi, Warri, UBT Sena and MNS has managed to secure seats from these parts of the Mumbai, and we can say that there is not a clear division or clear polarization of Marathi votes, but
let me bring in Divyesh Singh
BJP.
also. Let me bring in Divyesh Singh, who's joining us live from Thane right now. The Shinde stronghold once again proven to be the Shiv Sena stronghold in that sense right now. The Mahayuti comfortably ahead as far as Thane goes, Divyesh.
Well, yes, we can see that in is leading. It is his passion. It is his home ground. But this was not just any ordinary election. This was the clash of the titans. This was where aces collided with each other, and in BMC, in Thane Municipal Corporation, in Navi Mumbai Municipal Corporation, Kalyan, Dombivli, these are all satellite cities of Mumbai where corporation elections were held. And we can see that the Mahayuti, where they are in alliance, they are leading in good numbers. They are still leading as per the trends, the latest trends that we have seen in Kalyan, Dombivali and Thane. Obviously, the Mahayuti is much ahead of any other party or any other coalition. In BMC as well, the numbers that have been just released, the trends that have been just released by the BMC show that the BJP is leading on maximum seats, after followed by Shiv Sena UBT. The Shiv Sena led by Eknath Shinde has also managed to get good numbers in Mumbai as well.
So
And
the
there are still
official trends,
numbers
the BMC
for
official
many
trends
other wards where the
on
counting
leads, and this has been flashed by my colleague Mustafa, is that the BJP is at 79, the Shiv Sena at 25, that's about 104. The UBT is at 60, MNS at 5. So 65 there, the Congress at 19. So a bit of a variation from the numbers on your screens, which are largely also keeping in mind leads, trends that are coming in. We're going to continue highlighting those numbers. Like we're right now putting the focus on the counting. It's still underway. You could see those numbers change a bit, but largely it's expected that the trends of the BJP plus of Mahayuti being ahead, that in all likelihood will remain, looking at the difference really between them and the Thakres.